Yeah, how's everybody doing today, man? Sheldon Frost here, the Frostman 21. Today, 5 candlestick patterns, explained with actual examples, so you can read any chart in minutes. First, let's understand the basics. Every candle has a body and wicks. Green means close above open. Red means close below open. That's it. Now the 5 patterns that matter most. Doji, hammer, engulfing, shooting star, 3 white soldiers. Pattern 1, the Doji. A doji is when the open and close are basically the same price. Long wicks both sides, tiny or no body. It means buyers and sellers fought to a draw. Indecision. Neither side won that candle. Doji at support equals potential bottom. Doji at resistance equals potential top. Reversal hint. Pattern 2, the hammer. Small body at the top. Long lower wick at least twice the body. Found at the bottom of a downtrend. It means sellers tried to push the price way down, but buyers stepped in, pushed it back up to close near the high. Wait for the next candle to confirm. If it closes green above the hammer's high, you got your bullish reversal. Pattern 3, the engulfing candle. A small red candle followed by a big green candle that completely swallows the red one's body. Bullish engulfing, the most reliable pattern. Strong signal that buyers took over. Found at the bottom of a downtrend. This is the pattern beginners should master first. Pattern 4, the shooting star. Looks like an upside-down hammer. Small body at the bottom. Long upper wick at least twice the body. Found at the top of an uptrend. Buyers try to push higher. Got rejected hard. Sellers slammed it back down. Bearish reversal warning. Pattern 5, 3 white soldiers. Three green candles in a row, each closing higher than the last, each opening within the prior body. Long bodies, small wicks. Strong bullish momentum, continuation pattern. Buyers are in full control. Ride this momentum until it breaks. 5 patterns, doji, hammer, engulfing, shooting star, 3 white soldiers. Master these. Read any chart. Drop a comment. Which pattern do you want me to break down deeper on the next stream? Position sizing. Never risk more than 1% of your account per trade. Set your stop the moment you enter. This is not financial advice. Educational content only. Do your own research. Trade at your own risk. If you guys like this content, like, follow, subscribe. Throw me something in the comments. I'm here to help you guys. Happy trading. Happy investing. See you Monday at 9:30. Come hang out.